Hello students, this is your English grammar class. Today I am going to teach you chapter 10 prepositions. Let's get started. What is preposition? Preposition is a word that is used to link noun or pronoun with other words in the sentence. Link here means they provide relationship, noun and other words in any sentence and thus make the sentence complete. Thus we can say that a preposition is a word that indicates the position or relation of a noun or pronoun with another noun or pronoun or verb in a sentence. Okay? These other words may be noun, verb or adjective. Let's understand them with an example. The cat is sitting under the table. Here, under is used to link table, which is a noun, and sitting placement of a cat. If we do not use the under and write the same sentence, it is the cat is sitting the table. We are not able to get what is the relationship between the sitting of cat and table. Using under, we are confirmed that the cat is sitting under the table. Hence, under is a preposition here. Now, let's look into types of preposition. These are divided into 3 types depending upon 3 situations. When an event or thing happened, where an event or thing occurred, and in which direction an event or thing is happening. When preposition that describes when an event or thing happened is called preposition of time. Examples of them are in, on, at, before, after. Let's look into same sentence examples to make things clear. My birthday falls in January. When my birthday falls, it falls in the month of January. In here is a linking word between and hence it is a preposition. Second one is my vacation ends on Monday. When my vacation ends, it ends on Monday. On here is a linking word and hence is a preposition. Next example is it gets cold at night. When it gets cold at night. At here is a linking word and hence is a preposition. Remember that this preposition links when one thing happened in context to other. Now let's look into next one. The preposition that describes where anything is in context to other are defined as preposition of place. Examples of them include under, above, in, on, at, etc. Now, you might be thinking we had in, on, at as preposition of time and here also same. But please note they are used in different meanings. Let's see some sentence examples to make clear things. The books are on the table. Now, where are the books placed? They are placed on the table. Here, on describes a link between the table and the books. Hence, it is a preposition of place. The plane is just below cloud. Where is the plane with respect to cloud? It is just below. Here, below is the linking word between cloud and plane. Hence, it is a preposition of place. Now, let's look into the next type. The preposition which describes where to go or where to put something are called as preposition of direction. Some of the examples of them are to, into, of, from, etc. Let me give you some sentence examples to make the things clear. We went to London last week. Here, to describes in which direction we went. So, here, to is the linking word and is a preposition. Next is, he went up the hill. Here, up describes in which direction he went. So, up in is a linking word here. Remember, this preposition provides in which direction the things is in respect to other. So, these are the main three types of preposition. Now, let's see one more term related to preposition. It is prepositional phrase. What is a phrase? It is a group of words. And what is the prepositional phrase? It is a group of words containing preposition. Let me give you some examples of it. The rabbits hopped through the garden. Here, through is a preposition and through the garden is a whole prepositional phrase. Let's see other one. The balloon drifted up the stairs. Here, up is the preposition and up the stairs is the whole prepositional phrase. Let's look into one more example to make things even clear. The tiger crept slowly over the grass. Here, over is the main preposition and over the grass is whole prepositional phrase. So, remember this, the prepositional phrase is a group of phrases containing preposition. Now, that's all about preposition. Let's come to the book work. Let's start the book work. Chapter 10, Prepositions. Prepositions are words used to show position and movement in relation to objects or people. A preposition is followed by a noun or a pronoun. We use prepositions of place to show place, position and direction. We use prepositions of time to show time or when something happens. Some prepositions are used to say how people and things travel, how things are done, who does them, and to describe people, things and actions. Okay, now clear it? Now question number 1. This is your classwork. You have to do it in your book only using pencil. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. You have to look this picture carefully and the words, prepositional words are given in this box. You have to choose from this box this preposition and fill in these blanks. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.